What is the rarest type of earthquake typically occurring deep within the Earth's mantle? Answer C. Deep focus earthquake. What causes a tsunami? Answer B. Underwater earthquake. What type of volcanic eruption is considered the most explosive? Answer B. Plinian eruption. What unusual natural event causes the sea to glow at night? Answer B. Bioluminescence. What phenomenon causes a river to reverse its flow direction? Answer B. Earthquake. What is a fire whirl? A rare event occurring during intense wildfires. Answer A. A tornado of fire caused by intense heat and wind.